So I'm sure you've seen all these memes going around where people recreate famous movie trailers into a Balenciaga theme or Wes Anderson theme using AI. So I've been fiddling with some of these AI tools to make something similar for our Indian audience. So these are 5 free AI tools that I use to create this trailer. I'll be going through each of these tools in detail, but if you want to directly see the trailer, you can skip to this timestamp. One of the first movies that I've seen in a theater was Karan Johar's Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, and one of the first books that I've read was Harry Potter. So I thought, why not mix the two and create a Karan Johar style trailer with Harry Potter characters as the cast. Step 1, script. So the first thing I needed was a good script. So I asked ChatGPT this prompt. Imagine you are Karan Johar, famous Indian movie director. Create a movie trailer script of 30 seconds. The trailer would have face portrait shots of these cast from Harry Potter. For the trailer story, don't use any storyline from Harry Potter. Instead, create a Karan Johar movie style script. Give each of them a Hindi dialogue to say. Each dialogue should be in a single sentence or a short exclamation. Notice that I used a prompt engineering technique of assigning the AI bot to an expert, in this case Karan Johar himself. This was the response that I received. While this response was really good, I wanted to add a classic love triangle, so I switched Ron with Luna. I could have also switched with Ginny, but I think the AI pictures of Luna looked a lot better than AI Ginny. Okay, so these results definitely looked a lot better, but they didn't have much of a romantic angle. So I decided to ask ChatGPT to give me the prompt which I could then ask it back. I first asked, what defines a Karan Johar trailer? This gave me an excellent summarization of Karan Johar's style. I then asked ChatGPT to create a prompt based on these factors. Notice how it uses the words known for your emotional dramas and grandeur in storytelling and infuse the script with a Karan Johar movie style narrative. I was quite happy with the final response using this script. Of course, I'll probably use a combination of the multiple responses that I got for the final script. Step 2, images. Now for the face portrait images, I decided to go with Bluewillow since we are sticking to free AI tools. But you can also try Midjourney, which has a limited free version, or you can apply for a waitlist at Leonardo AI. So on Bluewillow's Discord page, you can pick one of their free rookie channels, type /imagine, and then give the text prompt to generate the image you want. There are multiple parameters that you can pass to configure the style of the response. This is the prompt that I used. Hogwarts Castle, Bollywood wedding style, aerial view surrounded by lush greenery, ultra realistic Karan Johar movie style, 4K quality, --AR 3:2. The AR is for the aspect ratio. You can also use a negative prompt to decide what you do not want to have in the image. After testing out multiple prompts, responses and variations, this simple prompt worked best for me. I repeated the same process for Harry, Hermione, Luna, Dumbledore and Voldemort. I mean, you know who. If you want to get even better images, you can research and add special characteristics like Dumbledore's silver hair or half-moon spectacles. Unfortunately, even after multiple attempts, I could not get a noseless Voldemort. Alright, so now we have our entire collection of portrait faces. Step 3, voiceover. Next, we need to generate the audio voiceover for all 5 characters as per the ChatGPT response. I'll use ElevenLabs for this. This lets you pick audio profiles based on the kind of audio texture you want and let that profile read any text. For Harry, I tried out the pre-made Arnold voice.
मोहब्बत के रंग सारे जहां को रोशन करते हैं.
For Hermione, I'll use the pre-made Ellie voice.
सपनों को हकीकत में बदलने का वक्त आ गया है.
For Luna, I'll use the pre-made Bella and so on.
प्यार, दोस्ती और जादू भरे पल, ये है जिंदगी की असली रंगत.
And for the narrator's voice, I'll do something different. I'll use a tool called Uberduck and create the voice of James Earl Jones, who voiced Mufasa from Lion King. So,
in a world where magic meets emotions, welcome to a tale of love, destiny, and the battle within. This season, experience the magic of love, friendship, and destiny like never before. Witness the magic of Karan Johar's latest masterpiece, Bring Our Meet.
Finally, we have all our voices in place. Step 4, animate. So now the next thing we want to do is to animate each of these images. So if you remember from the memes, a lot of the images have a slight head nod, or if they are speaking, then you can actually see their lips moving with the words. This is possible using a tool called DID. We'll start by creating a video, add a presenter. This is where we add the image from Bluewillow. Now if I come over to upload voice audio, I can upload this voice that I created from ElevenLabs. So I'll just click upload your own voice, grab the one that I created for Harry and click generate video. It's only going to take 1 out of the 20 free credits that I have. I'll click generate video and let's see what we've got. So this is the animation of Daniel Radcliffe speaking in Hindi. His face gets a little distorted, but I think that's good enough for this trailer. So I'll download this clip and try the same thing with the other characters. Hermione, Luna, Dumbledore, and you know who. So now we're done with all 5 characters for the trailer. Step 5, background music. For the final step, we need to create some background music which is suitable for this trailer. I'll be using Beatoven.ai, which by the way is the only Indian AI app in this list. You can create a new project, select the theme, and the mood. And it'll automatically generate 4 tracks that you can pick from. I was quite happy with the tracks rendered, so I'll definitely use one of them for the final trailer. There's a lot more to explore here, like adding or removing individual tracks, but I think we can explore that in another video. Now that we're done with all 5 steps, the only thing left is to put them all together. So I won't be going too much into the video editing in this video, but if you are interested and you are new to it, then I would definitely recommend DaVinci Resolve. And this is the final trailer. Hope you like it.
रंग और उम्मीद।
मोहब्बत के रंग सारे जहां को रोशन करते हैं।
सपनों को हकीकत में बदलने का वक्त आ गया है।
प्यार, दोस्ती और जादू भरे पल, ये है जिंदगी की असली रंगत।
हर अंधकार में एक उजाला छुपा होता है। अब सच्चाई का सामना करने का वक्त आ गया है।
अंधेरा ही मेरी शक्ति है, अंधेरा ही मेरी ताकत है, और अब मैं ये सारी दुनिया को अंधेरे में ले जाऊंगा।
This season, experience the magic of love, friendship, and destiny like never before. Witness the magic of Karan Johar's latest masterpiece.
रंग और उम्मीद।
Let me know in the comments what you guys thought about this trailer. And if you liked it, make sure to check out these other videos that I have posted. Thanks for watching.